10 Ways to Increase Your Organization's Safety Culture 2023. Introduction. This blog post will outline 10 ways to increase your organization's safety culture in 2023, from employee training to regular maintenance checks. 1. Conduct regular safety training. Conducting regular safety training sessions is essential for maintaining a high standard of safety within any organization. A. Basic safety awareness. Basic safety awareness is the foundation of a secure work environment. B. Fire safety. Fire safety training is critical for protecting employees and property from the devastating effects of a fire. C. First aid and CPR. First aid and CPR training is an essential component of workplace safety, as it equips employees with the skills necessary to respond to medical emergencies. 2. Establish a clear safety policy. A clear and comprehensive safety policy is crucial for fostering a culture of safety within an organization. A. Develop and document safety procedures. Developing and documenting safety procedures is a vital component of any safety policy. B. Communicate safety expectations. Effective communication of safety expectations is essential for fostering a culture of safety within an organization. C. Enforce safety rules. Employers must demonstrate their commitment to safety by holding employees accountable for adhering to established procedures and guidelines. 3. Appoint a safety officer or committee. Designating a safety officer or establishing a safety committee is an effective way to ensure that safety remains a priority within an organization. A. Roles and responsibilities. The roles and responsibilities of a safety officer or committee should be clearly defined to ensure effective management of safety-related tasks. B. Regular safety meetings. Holding regular safety meetings is essential for maintaining an ongoing dialogue about workplace safety. C. Reporting system. Implementing a reporting system for safety concerns and incidents is a critical function of a safety officer or committee. 4. Implement access control measures. By implementing systems that restrict and monitor access to the facility, organizations can reduce the risk of unauthorized entry, theft, and other security threats. A. Secure entry points. This includes the installation of locks, security doors, and gates, as well as the implementation of security systems such as alarms and surveillance cameras. B. Visitor management. A well-organized visitor management system helps maintain workplace security by tracking and controlling access for guests and temporary staff. C. Key card and badge systems. Key card and badge systems are an effective means of regulating access to restricted areas within a workplace. 5. Install surveillance systems. Surveillance systems are an essential component of workplace safety, providing organizations with the ability to monitor and secure their facilities effectively. A. CCTV cameras. Closed-circuit television, CCTV, cameras are a widely used surveillance tool that can significantly enhance workplace security. B. Motion sensors. By incorporating motion sensors into a workplace security plan, organizations can enhance their ability to detect and respond to potential threats, ultimately contributing to a safer work environment. C. Alarm systems. By providing immediate alerts to security personnel or local authorities, alarm systems enable organizations to respond swiftly and effectively to potential security breaches or safety incidents. 6. Maintain a clean and organized workplace. By minimizing clutter, ensuring proper storage, and conducting regular inspections, organizations can reduce the risk of accidents, prevent the spread of illness, and promote employee well-being. A. Clutter-free workspaces. Maintaining clutter-free workspaces is crucial for preventing accidents and promoting employee efficiency. B. Proper storage solutions. Implementing proper storage solutions is a key aspect of maintaining a safe and organized workplace. C. Regular inspections. By maintaining a clean and organized workplace, employers can create a safer, more efficient, and productive environment that contributes to the overall success and well-being of their workforce. 7. Regularly inspect and maintain equipment. By implementing preventative maintenance, providing equipment training, and safely disposing of outdated equipment, organizations can maintain a productive work environment. A. Preventative maintenance. Preventative maintenance is crucial for extending the life of equipment and reducing the likelihood of equipment-related accidents. B. Equipment training. By equipping employees with the knowledge and skills necessary to operate equipment safely, organizations can reduce the risk of accidents and promote a culture of safety within the workplace. C. Safe disposal of outdated equipment. By ensuring the safe disposal of outdated equipment, organizations can prevent accidents, protect employees, and promote responsible resource management. 8. Promote a culture of reporting hazards.